Hello everyone, this is MJ, and in this video I am going to show you how I build this weather app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is a web application and it can also be a mobile application. Now this video is very good for those who want to learn how to code. These are beginners projects that if you have any passion in coding, learn how to code, programming, this kind of projects are for you. The source code of this project is right here. I built this project using index HTML, as you can see, CSS and of course our JavaScript. Okay, let's see how the project looks like. This is the project. It says here enter city name. So when you type the city name, what happens and click on search, it is going to show you the weather information of that city. Let me say I'm from Bamenda. Let me enter Bamenda, and then you click search. Oh my, okay, this is the weather condition in Bamenda right now. This is the weather condition in Bamenda right now as we are talking. And then even in Bamenda, you can also search some specific places like the Mancom, Queen, and otherwise. It's going to show you the exact weather condition in those areas. Let's see the weather condition in maybe Boya, and then search. This is Boya right now in Cameroon. It's showing you the humidity and then the wind speed. Let's see the weather condition here in Bangkok, and then you click on search. This is Bangkok, and then you also notice that the image here changes. Bangkok right now at this time of recording, what's the time and the date? This is the time and the date. Bangkok right now is 31 degrees, humidity and then the wind speed. Let's say a city like Dubai, and then you click search. Oh my god, Dubai is burning as always. This is the temperature right now in Dubai, over 40 degrees, and then you see the humidity and then the wind speed. Let's say a city like maybe Toronto, Canada, and the spelling of Toronto, Toronto, Canada. All right, let's say the city in Toronto right now is 10 degrees. So what happens if you type a city that doesn't even exist? Let me say, for example, instead of Bangkok, say Bangkok. If you type a city that doesn't even exist, it's going to tell you that invalid city name. So that's the project, guys. Let me go ahead and just enter key. All right, and then you see everything about Bangkok, show it at a particular time of search. So this is the project. If you want to learn how to build a project like this, don't miss the next video, because in the next video I am going to show you step by step how to build a project like this. Okay, this is very important for those who want to learn how to code. Okay, begin with programming languages like JavaScript for mobile and web applications. Okay, see you in the next video, and that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and then you hit the notification icon for more videos like this.